Hello and welcome to another video from the Costa Car Trader. Unfortunately, my Boxster is having a few problems. In fact, it's kind of acting like it's having a mental breakdown. So in this video, we're going to be seeing what the problem is and how to fix it. So a few days ago, my Boxster started acting a bit on the crazy side. I don't know, maybe it had COVID or it was having a mental breakdown. I really don't know. It started having all the ignition lights flashing like a Christmas tree without having the key in the ignition. The spoiler on the rear was coming up and down. You'd start the engine, you'd turn it off, pull the key out, the engine would still be running. I'm going to show you a little video now of what was happening. It's in portrait mode, so I apologize for that because I filmed it on my mobile, but you get an idea of how crazy my Porsche was acting up. Okay, take a look at this.
Alarm keeps going off, the spoiler keeps opening, closing. Oh, all the ignition lights are on. Look at that. Got the keys in my pocket. Oh. Oh, it's locked. Why is the ignition lights on? It's locked. This is weird. It won't open. What the hell? I can't even open it. My car's gone mad. Oh. Key is out. All the ignition lights are on. Spoiler just closed. Look, all the lights are on. Interior lights are on. What the fuck? It won't start. Oh, now it starts. Okay. This is weird. Oh, look. And can you hear the engine running? I've just turned it off. Key is out. Lights are on. What the fuck is going on with my car? Oh, and now it's just turned itself off. This is fucking weird. What the fuck? Oh, ignition lights are back on. Spoiler is now opening. What the fuck?
So after doing a bit of research online, I discovered that these Boxsters, they do have a common fault with the ignition switch, and that causes these crazy things to happen. Okay, so the ignition switch is on the opposite side of this, and I got to somehow climb underneath there, put my head up and try and remove it. Not the most easiest of jobs, but let's give it a go and see if I can get it off. Okay, to do this job I'm going to be using the torch off my phone and a very small little screwdriver. Can you see that? There are two grub screws holding the switch on, and that is the only way you can get it off. And I'm going to dive in there now and remove it. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but we need to take this electrical switch off here. It's easy, you just pull it off. Then once you've done that, you've got a grub screw here, and you got one on the opposite side, and that's it. Then once you've done that, it should just slide off. Now I can't really do the job and show you at the same time because there's not enough room under here, so let's just see if I can get this off. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna take these 2 grub screws off, and then this switch here should just pull right off. There we go, it's off. What a pain in the ass that is. So I ordered the part on Amazon, and in just 1 day it arrived. Yay! Very quick indeed. So hopefully this is going to fix the problem. Open up. Here we go. Alright then, so that's the new one. And that's the old one. Yep, identical parts. Alright, I got my new switch. Now, let's fit it and see if it works. Gotta climb back in here. Okay, so the ignition switch is on. Now I have to reconnect the battery, and let's see if that fixes the problem. Look at this. The fun of having cats. Even the roof is covered in fur. I think I'm going to have to get a cover for this very soon. I did have one, but it broke, so I'm going to have to get another one. Alright, let's get the battery on. So far so good, no alarms, no lights flashing. See if the ignition lights are... Right, as you can see there's no lights. Turn the key, ignition comes on. It starts. It's a little bit cold. So far so good. Okay, let's see what happens when I turn the engine off. Oh, the engine went off. Key is out. And the ignition lights are off. Okay, let's close the door and lock up and see if it's back to normal. Okay, the ignition lights are off. I think that's it. I think it's fixed it. So there we go. I think it's fixed. Ignition lights on, ignition lights off. Starts. Revs. That sounds nice, doesn't it? And one more time. Let's turn it off. Yay! It works! It's fixed! There's no craziness in my car! So there we have it. A little ignition switch, and it's fixed it. Now that ignition switch, it cost me €9.99. I bought it on Amazon. It was here the next day. It took, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to replace it. The only reason it takes that long is because you've got to climb in there, and you've got to fiddle about with one arm, and you've got to have a torch above your head. Not the easiest job, but it's possible. I can do it, anybody can do it. So there we go. If you're having a problem with your Boxster and it's going mental, the lights are coming on, the ignition lights are coming on, the spoiler's coming up and down, and it's just doing crazy things, it could just be your ignition switch, and it's an easy fix. So there we go. Hope you liked the video. I hope it was informative, and maybe it's helped you resolve a problem. You know, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, you know, say what you think of this video if you want to see more videos like this. And that's it, guys. So hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.